Good morning, Royals. So I thought this would be a fun video to tour our HEB's little garden center that they have in the front of the store. They have a lot of plants out here right now. So let's go ahead and get into it. We're gonna start over here. We're gonna see what they have. These say $3.50 down here. And they have some orange marigolds. Those are $3.50. Those are marigolds. What are these? Those are really pretty. I like that fall color. I don't even know how to pronounce that. So y'all pronounce that on y'all's own. Those are coleus. They got flaming throwers. And this is the same one too. Okay. So those up there are $14.97. We have some more marigolds for $8. What is this back here? Dianthus. Those are pretty. What is this? Angelonia. Purple Angelonia. Over here we have some vinca for $5. Y'all know how I feel about that. Best flower for Texas. And we've got some other stuff for $4.50. This looks like maybe herbs. Yep. Arugula. This looks like some mint. They have more than what what Lowe's and Home Depot has. We have some Italian oregano. Some more mint. Italian oregano. That looks like vinca. We have some rosemary. I could put together a little herb garden. We have some chives, basil. This looks like more basil up here. Some more rosemary. And then up here, more vinca for $8.97. Let me know the prices that you guys have in your area. What is this? This looks like, oh, calendula. That's really pretty. This looks like a zinnia. Let's see. Yeah, that's some type of zinnia. Marigold. Ooh, that's gorgeous. Look at that. Okay, this looks like, what is this? Stock. Never grown stock before, but those are really pretty. We have some more zinnia up here. Those are gorgeous. HEB has some really good plants in stock right now. And pretty decent prices compared to like nurseries and stuff. So down here, I think these are like perennials. Texas perennials. So we have some mealy blue sage. I'm not too familiar with perennials. Furman's red Texas sage. What is this blue stuff? That looks like salvia. Gulf Murphy. I don't know how to pronounce that. But they have some really cool things. Look at this. For $6. Let's go to this other side. And then down here for $5. Succulents, that's what they're called. So some pretty succulents. Okay, so we're gonna go back over to this area because I think we missed some stuff. So over here for $4.50 we have more herbs. We have some purple Ruffles basil. We have some Thai basil. Down here, this looks like nasturtium, oregano, parsley. What is this? Is this mint or basil? Mint, English mint, arugula. And look at this, Malabar spinach. I've never grown Malabar spinach before, but I'm very curious of how it tastes. I'm not sure what this is. Okay, so up here we have some lime basil, English mint, more garlic, more rosemary. So here are all your herbs. You have options compared to no options at Lowe's or Home Depot. So let's work our way over. Down here we have some plants, house plants. What are these? I'm not really too familiar with house plants, so we're gonna skip on over here. Look at these, aren't these gorgeous? For $9.97. Isn't that such pretty color for fall? Over here we have some more house plants. This looks like, what is this? Gold Star. I don't know how to pronounce. We have some aloe vera. I keep seeing this. What is this? Confetti pink. That's what it's called. Okay. So we're gonna work our way. We're gonna work our way down this way. So here for $9.97, we have some more coleus. So pretty. Up here for $8.97, we have some petunias, dianthus, angelonia. Look at all this fall color, $9.97. Okay, so we're gonna move down and we have mums for $16. These look like they're dead. But that's okay. They have other options. Up here for $8, we have some parslin. Move over here. We have a couple things in this corner. Rex begonia. That's pretty. Rex begonia. Wow, look at that. So pretty. Look at this pink one down here. And those are $8. So I pulled back up at H-E-B and they have a whole new section of herbs. Look at these. They are gorgeous. Sage, dill, parsley, chives, mint. Good stuff, y'all. And more flowers. They have pansies. They added pansies, viola, dianthus, stock, marigold. You guys, we gotta get some. I'm gonna do something. We're gonna grab a couple of things in a few days. All right, so that is gonna wrap up the tour of what inventory H-E-B has at their outdoor plant area. So come check out H-E-B. They have a ton of stuff if you're still looking for plants and things like that for a decent price. All right, Royals, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.